Happy Sunday to all of my middle school friends. I am going to show you guys how to do a DocHub document today because a lot of my assignments are going to be given to you that way, and I know that all of you would prefer to do that than to take pictures of every single assignment or try to print them. So as you can see on my screen, I will be sharing this document of how to turn in documents through DocHub. But this is how it will look. First, you'll go to your Google Classroom page. So that's right here. And this will show you your assignment, and it will also show you the video that I'm going to add. It won't let me add it to my YouTube channel, so I'll just put a link in through Google Classroom. And this will be a test, like not a test, but one that we're going to just try and see if it works for everybody. And it's called line plots. And you'll click on it. And I know your screen looks more like this. So you'll find it, and then you will click on the PDF. And when you do that, it should open like this. And typically you won't see anything here in the middle, but you will see these three lines that are over here on the right, or three dots. And so you're going to click on the three dots, and then you're going to go to open in a new window. Once you have opened it in a new window, hopefully it will show up, and there it is, open with. And if you click that, if you do not see DocHub, which I'm highlighting right here, then you need to go to connect more apps. And if you need to do that, you'll click on that, and then in the search engine, you'll type in DocHub and then add that to your installed app list. I do have DocHub, obviously, so I'm going to click on it. And once you add it, this should show up as one of your options. And I click on it, and it opens another window, and give it a second to upload. And once you're in here, we'll just use the existing, no, we'll create a duplicate. Yours won't say that. Anyway, it'll show up like this, and you can see all the places where you need to fill in. And you can just click on it and then type in your name. And then you can go through and click in each of the boxes where it says answer and put an answer for each one of these. The other thing you're going to want to do is go up here to the upper left. So right here. And you can see it says line plots. All you need to do there is you need to click on that. And before the word line plots, you should type in your last name and a period. That way I'll know it's yours when you send it back to me. So after you've filled in all of these boxes and have all of your answers filled in, you're going to go up here to the upper right corner where there's three lines. So let me just show you here. We have right here these three lines, and you're going to click on that. And let's see here. It says share or send, and you can do it that way and share it to my email address. But I'd prefer if you try to do the download, and when you click on that, it shows something similar to this, and you're going to want to put it onto your Google Drive. If that's not an option, obviously you can do it to your computer, or you can try putting it right onto Google Classroom. For right now, I'd say go to save it on your Google Drive and hit download, and then it will come back up. And when you have that saved and finished, you'll go back to the Google Classroom page. You'll get out of this one, and then your screen, let me just show you what your screen will look like. Your screen should look something like, oops, I just passed it. There it is. Your screen should look something like this. And so as you can see right here, it has the add button right here, add. And so that's what you're going to click on, and it should scroll down. And when you see that, I'm hoping this video will show it to you. Keep going just a little bit farther. It will pop up with your Google Drive and you'll pick the correct assignment. And then after you add it, so that's the file that you'd pick if that was the assignment. And after you add it, oh golly gee, hold on. You'll want to click the turn in button. And so the turn in button, let's see, where is it? So open PDF, rename, edit, save to Google Drive, attach, delete the original. You don't have to worry about that. But you're going to, after you add it, make sure that it added and then hit turn in. And sometimes I guess it doesn't look like it's added, but if you just try it, turn it in and let me know whether or not you see it. And if you don't, obviously you can tell me and we could just share it. But I want to at least try it. So I'm going to have this assignment, the line plots one, on every classroom page so that everybody can at least try one time, and we'll see if we can get this to work. Again, if you don't know all the steps or this video was a little hard to understand, then I have them all typed up here, which I will share with you. And I will also share this video that I found on YouTube that also explains it. I'm hoping that this will help us to get assignments done a little bit easier, and hopefully this week will run a little smoother and each week will be easier as the weeks go on. I also am going to set up a schedule so that I can hopefully get to see your beautiful faces once a week, and you'll get to sign up for what time and date works best for you to either, well, I'll send you a Zoom link and we'll explain that in another video. But I would love to get checked in and you guys can ask questions and we can talk a little bit. So I will send that out to you later this week. So hopefully this helped you, and I miss seeing all of your faces, and I will talk to you again soon. Have a good night.